Hi guys, this is Gaurang and today is the day 6 of 100 days of Python coding practice, questions and project. I am going to continue now the CodeChef and here's the question. Inserting text between the outputs remain okay. So we need to only print this. Okay guys. So here's the output. We need to replace it like this. First we will put strings equals, here is 10. Now we'll submit this and it's our output. Okay, next question. What will be the output of this code? Okay, hmm comma, see guys, after the digits comma it will be space. So see how it works. Space, option 3 is correct. Yes. Okay, next question. Multiple MCQ. Okay, what's the output? See, after in the comma, it will make a space. So here's what? Note option there. Option 1, there's a space between get. Okay, there's a space between get and 5. Option 3, two spaces between. Okay, okay. Okay, here is one space and here is one space. So see, I think option 3 is correct. Yes. So here's the final question. Print 12, 11. What's the difference? First code will be output in the first line. The second line will be empty. The second code will be output in the third lines. Second code is wrong, not compiled. I think the codes are equivalent. Yes. So here is all 4 questions. Okay, goodbye.